Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ once again. You know, we back at it once again. You know, it's Monday. So first things first, thank you everybody who dropped all your comments over the weekend, all the new subscribers. You know, that's how we always start the week off. So first, that's the first things first. Man, hope everybody had a great weekend. There's the window down on this car. But yeah, hope everybody had a great weekend so far, man. It's gonna be a new week. We're gonna give more great advice, and we're gonna learn a lot this week. So let's get to it. As y'all can see, got one of the box trucks in motion, so we're using one. We sold two. We got two of the buses sold. My little tarp keep coming off my car. I'm supposed to get my car into the shop this week. I know it's been sitting back here for a while, so man, hopefully I can get it into the shop this week. He said I could get it in. He said my mechanic said he'd have some room for me in the shop this week, so hopefully get this into the shop this week. But as you can see, we sold two of the buses, one of the box trucks in motion. We about to get the starter put on this box truck, so we about to fix that one and then sell that one. Making good profit off of these buses. Bought them for a good deal, flipping them for a good profit. So that's always good. That box truck, I gotta get that one in the shop. So, but we got box trucks out here on the road, so we making moves. So let me put my tarp back on and we're gonna talk. So let's talk about it. I've been getting this question, and people been asking me like how long I've been in the car business. It's probably for a lot of people that's new that haven't been following me since the beginning. So a lot of people ask me like how long I've been in the car business and why am I still in the car business. Man, I've been in the car business since 2013. I started in the car business. What was that? I think I know the exact date. It was February, if I'm not mistaken. February 5th, 2013, if I'm not mistaken. So I've been in this business over 7 years. Started when I was 19, 27 now. So been in there a while. Like I always tell, like if you guys seen any of my older videos, like I'm a rookie and a veteran in the business. So I've been doing it for basically over 7 years now. Man, reason why I'm still in it, I mean, honestly, it's a great business to be in. To be honest, like it's a great business to be in, and you build a lot of connections in this business. Like this business, like you get to meet so many people, and you get to have so many connections. So basically, you know, I didn't go to college, so the 4 years people spend in college, they build a lot of connections. So I spent all these years in the car business building up the same type of connections. So, and that's the great thing about the car business. You build connections, and these are connections for forever. Like once you meet somebody in the car business, like my buddy Taylor, who's the manager at the Bob Howard Dodge store that I was doing a walk around there. My other buddy is the general manager at the Cadillac store, and then I know other managers at different stores. Man, once you get in the car business and you work with somebody and y'all build a good relationship, man, that relationship lasts for forever, man. Just like any good connection. But man, but the good thing about the car business, like me being in this business, I will never be without a job. Like me being the owner of the business, but me just working in the business and building those connections and knowing so many people in the business. And the thing about the car business, it's so much turnover and so many people move different places, and they'll they'll either leave one place and go one place to make some more money. Like this is one of those high rate turnover jobs. Like literally, you can walk in and then it's also one of the easiest professions that you can hop in, that you can make great money. Like when this is one of the professions, like you see a big dealership out there, or even some of these small dealerships that need some help. But you walk into any big dealership really right now, you can walk in there, boom, you probably get hired. You'll probably 99, it's a hot 90% chance that they're gonna hire you today, because they're needing salespeople, because people not showing up for work, or people just quit because being in the car business, it's not for everybody. Everybody's not a people person. Everybody does not like talking to people. Everybody doesn't like, because in the car business, it's rough out there, because you got to stand out there. It's you and 10, 15 other people. Basically like y'all standing out there on the porch like vultures and stuff like that. That's what they call it. You're out there like a vulture, and you see this one car pull up, and you look at the customer, and they're all shocked because they see all you people staring at them, and then you have to be the one to go out there. That's why a lot of times when you working in the car business, a lot of times the customers really not going to pull up to the front. They're going to drive like within the lanes of the lot. So you have to keep an eye out, because you have to be the one walk there and introduce yourself, and you have to be able to sell somebody, basically help somebody make a purchase that they're probably going to do maybe 2-3 times. It's like it's a major purchase. Like, major purchases that people happen in their lifetime is a house and a car. And how many times do they often come look like, when you buy one house, you're usually buying one house, maybe two. And if you're buying a car, you're buying maybe 2 cars, 3 cars at the max. So these are major purchases. So you have to be nice enough and likable enough that you're gonna help somebody convince to make this purchase. Because this is a large purchase. Because a person, especially working in new cars, sometimes people change used cars off, but if they're looking at a new car, especially when you're working at Toyota, these people are going to buy one Toyota, drive that Toyota for 20 years, and then they might buy their next Toyota in another 20 years. But, a lot of times Toyota had like older customers, and like, a lot of times you talk to them, they're saying like, this is my one Toyota, this is my last Toyota. Like, they buy one car, and then you're not selling them another car. You're selling a family member some cars, but you're not. But another reason why too, like I said, it's great. You can build connections because, like I said, this is a business where you're always going to be needed, because everybody's always going to need cars, and every profession needs a car. So you're going to meet doctors, lawyers, dentists, realtors, other car dealers, teachers, lawyers. You're gonna meet and when you're selling cars, you'll meet people from every profession. So you get to build those connections, and as long as you're nice to those people, and then you just talk to these people and build connections. Because I have connections with lawyers, doctors, dentists, all this, and I get good rates and stuff if I ever need them. Like lawyer, I'm never gonna probably need him, but it's always good to just know for like legal purposes and stuff like that. Dentist, when I go to the dentist, I use the dentist that I sold the car to. I sold him the car my first year. That was 7 years ago, and that's the dentist that I still use. That connection. So I met my barber. I sold my barber a car. So I met a great barber. So he still cuts my hair to this day. So it's these connections that you build, and man, you never know. Like, that's why I'm still and also too, with the connections, like you'll never be without a job in this business, because once you meet a group of people and y'all stay in the car business, y'all will always have jobs. Like, so that's my thing. Like with me, with my connections, my buddy, he's a manager at the Dodge store, manager at the Cadillac store, and another one's a manager at a different store. So if I need a job, they got me. No interview, no nothing, they got me. If I need a management job, I can go on there and get a management job. So just worst case scenario, if my business doesn't work out, it bottoms out, it fails, I can pick up the phone and be like, hey, boom, boom, hey, can I come there? Boom. They're gonna be like, yeah, I got you a spot right there. So that's the good thing about being in the car business. Like, you're never without a job. So, and wherever they move to, they're gonna let you know, like, hey, I'm over here now. They're looking for F&I managers, or other managers and stuff like that. So I'm never like, once you get in the car business and you get those good connections, you're never without a job. I'm gonna say that again. You're never without a job. Wherever you go, because the managers you work with, they're gonna move on to different stores. And if you're a great salesman, they're gonna be like, hey, come to my store. I'll put you in a better position. You're gonna get connection with all the managers. You're gonna get connection with other salespeople, people in finance. So when they move here, they're gonna want you to move with them, and they're gonna help put you in always in better situations. So this car business, you build great connections, and it's always great money. It's an easy profession, but it's not for everybody, because it's more of a mental thing than a physical. That's basically what it is, just mental, because it's how many times you can go out there and get turned down. Like, some people don't deal with rejection well. Sometimes you go out there and you talk to a customer, and you don't get you end up losing that sale. Then the manager like, man, what happened? You go out there, another customer, you don't sell that with another customer, you don't sell, and now you're like, man, I didn't talk to 8 people today and I ain't sold 1 car, and now you get down on yourself. But you gotta be able to fight through that. But But like I said, the main reason why I'm in this business is because I like it. Like, I do it full time. I like it. You know, a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. You got great connections, and I'm never without a job. I've been doing it, 7 going on 8 years. So I've been doing it forever. This is basically all I know. Like, after high school, like, I worked for 7-Eleven for a minute, but basically this is all I know this is really all I know. Like, car business, and I like it. You make great money. You make great connections, and I work for myself too. That's the main reason too, because also this is another reason why I do it too, because this is one of the jobs, like, it doesn't take, you don't have to really consume your whole day around it, as long as you, especially as long as you stay near your car lot. Like me, I stay near my car lot. So when people message me like, hey, I'm interested, I want to come buy this car, they'll come. You can go sell them the car, boom boom boom, and then you can go back and finish doing whatever you got to do. I don't have to be always tied to my lot, unless I'm just tied sitting down to my lot, unless I have to. But yeah, but that's just the main reason why I'm still in this business, man. Is you get great connections because you meet everybody from every walks of life, because everybody's going to need a car. You have great connections. You can use those connections for forever. So if you can't go to college and get those connections, hey, go work in the car business 3 to 6 months, and you're going to get some great connections too. Because this is one of the jobs that you can build some great connections. So that's all I got for you. If you want to learn and get some connections, if you don't, either get your lot started, or just go work and sell cars for 3 to 6 months. You go and build just some good connections. Who knows? You actually end up might like it. You might hop in the car business. You might stay in there and be in there forever, like I am. I'm probably going to be in this business forever. But that's all I got to say to you guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. I'm about to go get my workout in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll do co-part tomorrow, since I didn't do it last week. So we'll do co-part tomorrow. Peace. I'm out.